Hi, I'm Takeshi from HP. Welcome to the HP booth. What I'd like to show you today is a new AI collaboration compute that we announced for this show. It's called HP Poly Studio Room Compute. We have two versions for this room compute. One is a Studio 5 room compute with latest Intel Core Ultra 5 processor with NPU up to 47 TOPS and a 16 gigabyte of RAM. And this compute is available with Microsoft Teams Room version. The other version is a Studio 7 room compute, which comes with the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with up to 50 TOPS NPU and a 32 gigabyte of RAM. And it is available with Microsoft Teams Rooms or with Zoom Rooms version. So these computes will be the core of our Windows-based solution, video room solution moving forward. So to learn more, please check out hp.com.